Here is how you can give texture to your text screenshot inside of Davinci Resolve. First, you're going to need to select the texture. You can find some at Texture Labs. They are all free to use. So get, for example, a paper texture and then get a screenshot of whatever text you want to display. You just need to have either a white or black unified background. Once in Fusion, you can then bring your paper texture and link it directly to your composition. And then you can take your text screenshot and link it to your composition. Then we're going to just increase here on the merge the size of our text, and we're gonna switch the apply mode from normal to multiply. Now the composition looks good, but the text doesn't have any texture. To do that, we're gonna use the displace node. I'm gonna select here my media, hit shift space on the keyboard and look for displace and bring that in. I'm then gonna feed the texture of the paper to the green arrow of the displace. Then in the displace, I'm gonna switch to X and Y. And now we can adjust the X refraction and the Y refraction to give texture to the text. It's going to take the property of whatever background is behind. Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates built only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack that contains over 150 elements. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.